Hello, my name's Kevin Garvey. I'm from the National Housing Federation, and we are here today talking about the Quality of Homes Conference, which is taking place in Leicester on the 16th and 17th of October. And I'm joined by Selvin Brown, who's Director of Net Zero Buildings at the Department for Energy, Security and Net Zero. So, Selvin, thank you so much for joining me today.
Well, thanks for having me.
Great. And I think to start with, it'd be really good to hear from you why you think now is the perfect time to be coming together in conversation about the quality and sustainability of homes.
So, look, across the sector, there is a clear recognition that providing warm, high quality homes to social tenants is a priority for this government. We're delighted to share with your viewers that on Monday, the 23rd of September, the government announced new plans to boost both minimum energy efficiency standards for all rented homes, so the private rented sector and the social rented sector, and to continue its funding of a number of domestic retrofit schemes. So, for example, the new Warm Homes Local Grant Scheme, which replaces the previous schemes of the LAD and HUG, uh, as well as a second scheme, so the next phase of the public sector decarbonisation scheme, and the third, which is the third wave of the new Warm Homes Social Housing Fund, which replaces the Social Housing Decarbonisation Fund, which has been so successful because of all the members' work and the collaboration we've had in this space. That announcement kickstarts the delivery of the government's Warm Homes Plan, and it will transform homes across the country by making them warmer as well as cheaper to run. The continuation of these domestic schemes will help us to provide certainty for consumers, for local authorities, for housing associations, and most importantly, the retrofit supply chain. So I'm delighted we're going to be coming together to talk about all of this.
And you're speaking at our plenary session on tackling decarbonisation in homes, and obviously people are going to have to register for the conference to get the latest on that from you and the inside track. But could you give us a bit of a sneak peek about what you see as the key takeaways from that session?
We'll definitely register, but we're going to be talking about the government's plans and ambitions to retrofit and decarbonise 5 million homes in the next 5 years. That's a million homes a year. We're going to be talking about how to scale up decarbonisation, how the government kind of recognises the partnership that we're bringing forward now with the combined local authorities, with local government and with the devolved governments to roll out a warm homes plan. We'll be making further announcements about the Warm Homes schemes at this conference. Hopefully, delegates will be able to take away the key messages, familiarise yourself with the schemes, which have changed from previous iterations. We're going to be talking firstly about data, the research and analysis. We're about to publish, I think, 6 sets of post-implementation reports, the evaluation of those. We can talk about that. We're going to be looking as well at PAS 2035 standards and how that has helped to build confidence in the work that we're doing. Secondly, we're going to be also looking at how to apply for these schemes. So the free retrofit information support and expertise service that we provide is called RISE. We've got at the moment over £1 billion of applications in the pipeline for the new social housing fund. And finally, and third, we've got to agree and set out a realistic timetable for better planning and resourcing our requirements, for managing the projects, for making and taking account or over the period of delivery. It's never too early to start to engage on the procurement and the supply chain, and I'm really excited. I'm expecting that we will have 4 years of delivery on the way through for the social fund, and I think that's going to be really, really exciting to get in and amongst that.
That's great, Selvin. Thank you. So people need to register for the Quality of Homes conference on 16th and 17th of October to get all the latest information on the Warm Homes Social Housing Fund and the latest on Way Free from Selvin. Selvin, look forward to seeing you in Leicester on the 16th and 17th of October. Thanks for your time.
Can't wait.